Welcome back to Tmeztv. Night 3 on the Turnpike Challenge in Oklahoma. We're at Port City. They got 45 cars. We were really good yesterday, but we had some technical issues, so we're hoping we got the gremlins out. Another good night of racing. Thank you so much for clicking on the channel. I'm about to get in the car, go iron in the track, get some engine heat, and show you guys Port City. Matter of fact, let's throw up some drone footage, right? Man, the track is dry, slick, looking. We're getting ready to go practice, and one of my buddies, Matt Sherrill, his dad, does chassis repair here in the Midwest, fixes axles, and so if you got something tore up, he's a good guy to go to. And I have some other buddies from Race Composite Repair. These guys build a lot of 3D printed stuff, and if anybody's seen the little 3D printed driller.
Do well.
Brad.
Nice to meet you.
Great to meet you. This is the second time. I actually have some products that they made that cap off the injection so you can wash it, and the exhaust. 3D printed toys. I need a 3D printer. So what kind of 3D printer you guys use?
The Bamboo Labs X1C.
Bamboo Labs X1C.
Yeah, we got a few of those. These are for the girls. Like, these are just fun little toys. So, and then we spirographs. There's all types of stuff.
Oh, and this is so cool. Look at this. The little driller. Like, how awesome is that? All right, it's practice time. Track is slick compared to last night, but it's smooth. Tip over.
Okay, good.
And man, I was so pumped to come out here so I could do some good footage and get some content. And now I'm just wore out from racing 3 nights in a row. And they haven't been getting done until like midnight. We don't get back until 2 in the morning, and you know, we leave at like 10 o'clock to go wash the car and do it all over again. So a little dragging, but we've had speed this entire trip, and that's super exciting. They're getting ready, they're pushing cars up for qualifying. Thing was loaded up because I turned it over and we didn't start it. And then I come off the track and I see we went third quick. And I'm like, okay, that's how awesome the 7X is right now. Like, even when I feel like we're slow, it's fast. So, is this number 2? It's number 2 motor, right? Number 2, yeah. So, we did not run this motor all last year because the first season we ran this motor 30 nights. All the time. But it has since got the current update, new cam, and maybe something else little. And I'm so pumped because this thing runs as good as his latest, greatest motor. And I don't know if you knew this, we're in the market to sell Ford motors, okay? We're building midget motors here in America at Engler's shop, and this thing is as good as it gets. And Tim doesn't cut any corners. It's got, you know, it's got steel rockers, it's got the best valve springs, it's got the best of the best of the best. And that's why this thing is you can just rag it out on the chip and it loves it. And I love it. You guys will love it. If you need a midget motor, hit Engler up. This thing is so good. If heat races paid, I'd be making money, but heat races don't pay. And I ran 3rd the first night, 5th the second night. We need to get it done. I'm gonna try to get this done for Tim Engler.
Go throw a little wrench on it and get it done, but we're watching the feature. I always love making cameos on Tmeztv. Hi, Mom.
Hey. Yeah, this thing's really good, and luckily I don't have to touch the car. I'm gonna go play with my kids while Donnie Gentry tunes this thing up. Thanks for watching. Thanks for everybody coming. What a show. Oh yeah, picked up the 3rd heat race win of the weekend, and that was fun. They watered the bottom, and the top was, I thought the top was better, but then you know, I knew the bottom was going to come in, and I wasn't going to pass the guy, you know, in the same place, so picked off another heat win. That gives us a lot of points. High points guy starts on the front row, so hopefully we end up on the front row again. This thing is really good, as always. Man, I'm so pumped. This thing, I think we're right where we've been hoping to be with this thing, and like, the 7X has been so good tonight. I am pumped. This EA Stealth is a ripper. All right, so I picked up some blue wheels. This is inch diameter, and these are 1.25 inches. I'm gonna put these on shoptmez.com so that people can buy their very own Racer X race wheel, designed by Tmez raced by Tmez and built by Superior Steering Wheels. We're gonna do something different here. Somebody put a Insta360 camera on the car, and I got some really unique footage here. Thanks again for watching, and yeah, Insta360 camera, very cool shot here. I try to film it all from this. It's an interesting point of view because you can kind of tweak the footage however you want. So I spent some time doing this. We're getting ready to go green though, and how awesome is this? That's how sideways the car is. Well, that was kind of a bummer, and those are teammates, and you know, when you got a guy underneath you, the bottom lane needs to stay open, and if you got a guy on the outside of you, you need to leave that lane open. That's kind of common courtesy, but there's not much courtesy in midget racing. But here we go from the pole. Let's do this again. way, this thing's trying to kill me.
I know, hey, the short slider disappear, all right?
What do you mean?
Slide the fucking corner. Short slide yourself to the middle and disappear. All right?
That's working okay?
Perfect.
I feel like we just gave one away, but it wasn't from a lack of effort. We led so much of that race. And the 7X, the EA Stealth Ford built here in Indiana, is a ripper. Can't wait for the next one. Hey, thank you so much for watching Tmeztv. So close, and I'm sure we got some amazing footage. Thank you to the homie that lent me that 360 camera. Hey, I hope you're having a wonderful day. I'm out.